Education and skill development complement each other. A strong educational foundation helps to understand new skills quickly. Skill contribute to adaptability, entrepreneurship, problem solving abilities, self confidence, life skills, and academic success too. By incorporating creativity in the classroom, students can gain a renewed enthusiasm for learning and develop skills for their future careers. Your potential is worthless if you are not willing to suffer through developing it. People say that I have so much potential, I could do that if I wanted to. I just have not tried yet. Nobody cares because potential expires every year if you don't use it. It quietly disappears because you never turned it into anything real. Developing potential is painful. It means failing publicly. You know that feeling when you are working hard, trying to do everything right, then you get stuck. Progress stops, showing you are not able to move forward and nothing is happening. That's the exact point where most people give up. Exactly where it gets hard, like where growth is just begin. You stop. Most people rise until they reach the point where they are not good at something and then they are stuck there forever. You do the same thing with your life. You push until it feels hard, until you're no longer naturally good at it. Then you stop. Instead of fighting to build, still you call it not for me. Then you quit. You say it's impossible. But once who win, they stay, they stand, and exactly where you give up. It's discomfort in failure, in incompetency, and they keep going until that pain becomes power. The wall you hit is not proof that you can't do it, it's proof that you are going to enter the top 1% club and leave the 99% behind. Everyone keeps asking how to succeed, how to stay consistent, how to get motivated, how to stay focused. You don't. You either are or you are not. If you really wanted it, you wouldn't need motivational quotes, you wouldn't need anyone to push you. You did be obsessed. You did wake up thinking about it. You did go to sleep planning it. But if you don't want it, you just want to feel like you're trying. You want the results without the discomfort. You want the dream, but not the cost. No one is going to cheer for you harder than you do. You need to become your biggest hype man, your own hype woman, your own PR machine. Clap for yourself, the loudest when nobody is clapping, and pick yourself up again and again. You keep doing this for a very long time with enough proof of your work. Eventually, others will come along and cheer for you. But until that happens, you are your first and the only loudest believer. So stop protecting the fantasy. Start building the reality. Because something real will always be worth more than something possible.